Protecting your grill from the elements is essential for extending its lifespan and performance. The best barbecue grill covers offer superior protection against rain, dust, UV rays, and debris, keeping your grill looking new and functioning perfectly season after season. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Weber Genesis Barbecue Grill Covers. The Weber Genesis Barbecue Grill Cover is an essential accessory for anyone who owns a Genesis 300 series grill with 3 main burners. Designed specifically to provide a perfect fit, this cover ensures that your grill remains fully protected from the harsh outdoor elements. Crafted from premium water-resistant fabric, it does a remarkable job of shielding your grill from rain, snow, and moisture, which are known culprits for causing rust and wear over time. The durability of this cover is immediately noticeable, as it resists tearing, fading, and cracking, allowing you to count on it for long-lasting protection. Another standout feature is its lightweight construction, which makes it extremely easy to cover and uncover the grill without hassle. This is particularly useful when grilling frequently, as you won't have to struggle with heavy or stiff material. To ensure maximum security, Weber has included fastening straps that keep the cover in place even during strong winds and heavy rain. The combination of durability, weather resistance, and ease of use makes this grill cover a reliable investment for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. If you're looking for a cover that fits snugly, stays secure, and provides year-round protection for your Weber Genesis grill, this model is an excellent choice.
Number 2. Durable Elastic Barbecue Grill Covers. The durable elastic barbecue grill cover stands out as a versatile and heavy-duty option that caters to a wide range of outdoor kitchen setups. Constructed from CoverMax material, which is 1000 denier PVC-coated polyester, this premium cover offers outstanding resilience against wear and tear. At approximately 12 ounces in weight, it has the perfect balance of sturdiness and flexibility. One of its key advantages is the built-in elastic bottom, which allows the cover to fit snugly over your grill. This not only ensures a secure hold against the wind, but also makes installation and removal quick and effortless. The material is fully waterproof and designed to withstand exposure to UV rays, preventing fading and ensuring that your cover remains in great condition for years. Available in a variety of colors like beige, black, blue, coffee, and gray, this model allows you to select an option that complements your outdoor decor. Maintenance is also a breeze, as you can simply hose it down with water and let it dry in the sun. With its impressive weather resistance, snug-fitting design, and range of sizes and colors, this grill cover is a smart investment for protecting your outdoor grill while enhancing the look of your patio or backyard.
Number 3. Bitubi 98-inch Barbecue Grill Covers. The Bitubi 98-inch barbecue grill cover is designed with larger, center island-style BBQ grills in mind, making it an ideal option for anyone who owns a substantial outdoor cooking station. Measuring 98 inches long by 42 inches deep and 48 inches high, this heavy-duty cover ensures complete protection for oversized grills. Constructed from high-density waterproof material with water-repellent processing, it provides superior defense against rain, snow, and moisture. Additionally, it features excellent tear and fade resistance, ensuring the cover remains intact and effective even after prolonged outdoor use. Practical details make this cover especially user-friendly, such as the padded handles for easy fitting and removal and the 2 air vents that help reduce condensation and prevent wind lofting. To further secure the cover during bad weather, it includes 4 windproof buckles and 2 adjustable drawstrings, giving you peace of mind even in high winds. Maintenance is simple, as dirt and debris can be rinsed off with water, and quick drying in the sun keeps it fresh and ready to use. If you have a large island grill setup, this Bitubi cover offers a blend of durability, thoughtful design, and reliable protection that ensures your outdoor kitchen remains in top condition all year long. Number 4. Traeger Barbecue Grill Covers. The Traeger Barbecue Grill Cover is a reliable choice for Traeger owners who want peace of mind knowing their grill is always protected. Specifically designed to fit the Pro 22 and Pro 575 models, this cover offers a tailored, form-fitted design that not only looks sleek, but also ensures complete coverage without unnecessary bulk. Constructed from heavy-duty, all-weather material, it can stand up against rain, snow, and the harsh effects of the sun, making it an excellent year-round shield for your grill. The water-resistant properties help keep your grill dry and ready to use at a moment's notice, reducing the risk of rust and corrosion. Another highlight is its user-friendly design. The snug fit makes it easy to put on and take off without struggling with excess fabric. For Traeger enthusiasts, this cover is more than just an accessory. It's a practical investment that helps extend the lifespan of the grill by preventing weather-related wear and tear. Whether your grill is exposed to constant sun or braving the cold winters, the Traeger cover ensures it stays protected while maintaining its sleek appearance. This is a dependable, no-fuss cover designed with Traeger users in mind, making it a must-have addition to your outdoor grilling setup.
Number 5. Weber Compatible Barbecue Grill Covers. The Weber Compatible Barbecue Grill Cover is an excellent option tailored specifically for Weber Spirit 200 and Spirit i2 200 series grills. Designed with precision, this cover provides a snug fit that maximizes protection without the hassle of excess fabric. It is crafted from premium quality materials that incorporate UV inhibitors to resist fading, ensuring the cover maintains its sharp look over time. In addition to being water-resistant, the fabric is also breathable, which helps prevent trapped moisture and reduces the chances of mold or mildew forming on your grill. The durability of the construction stands up well against rain, snow, and other challenging weather conditions, effectively extending the life of your grill. Practicality is another strong point, as the cover is lightweight, making it easy to put on or remove whenever you're ready to cook. Secure fastening straps are included to keep it in place, so even strong winds won't dislodge it. With its combination of weather resistance, secure coverage, and ease of handling, this cover offers peace of mind and reliable performance. If you own a Weber Spirit 200 series grill, this cover is an essential purchase to ensure your investment remains protected and ready for outdoor cooking whenever you are. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.